So the conference is May 1st to 3rd, 2025, put on by the Center for Christian Engagement here at St. Mark's College in Vancouver on the campus of the University of British Columbia. And the conference is quite remarkable in that we're bringing in speakers from all over Canada, the United States, some from Africa and Asia as well. And we're talking about Christian education. And this is something that goes back to the earliest stages of Christianity, Jesus himself being the first teacher and the greatest teacher, of course, from a Christian perspective. But we're looking at the way in which Christian education has developed over the centuries. So we're bringing in a speaker such as Margaret MacDonald, a professor from St. Mary's University in Halifax. She's going to talk about how did the early Christians educate children, and were women involved in this sort of education, and how did they participate in it? How did house churches have a role in educating, and how did that take place, and how long did that take place? We're also going to have Sam Rocha, a professor at the University of British Columbia. Sam is going to talk about what is the purpose of Christian education, because it's more than just facts. It's more than just data. It's about something deeper, and that's something we're missing in education today. There's a lot of focus on STEM, and that's important. These are necessary things, but there's something deeper about education. Christian education is about transforming the person and about going back to the first teacher, Jesus, as sort of the heart of all education. Our third keynote speaker is Reverend Dr. Stanchu Elo, and he's from Nigeria, and he teaches at DePaul University in Chicago, and he's going to be talking about global Catholicism. What does it mean to educate all Catholics in a sense? Because we tend to look at things from a Western perspective, from a North American perspective or European perspective. He's going to talk about this from an African perspective and the global South. So we're bringing in these three keynote speakers. They're free. You can go to the website, Center for Christian Engagement. You can just put that in Google. You're going to come to the website and you can find out how to register. All three of those keynotes are free. Now, we do have concurrent sessions where all these other scholars, 45 scholars, are going to be speaking, and you have to pay for that part of it if you'd like to come, but only $60 for the whole conference. If you want to come for one day, only $35. Come and join us.